Suspended my channel, your YouTube account notification on I got the email from the YouTube. The email says we would like to inform you that due to repeated or severe violation of our community guidelines, your YouTube account Solving has been suspended. After review, we determined that activity in your account violated our community guideline with prohibited spam, scams, or commercially deceptive content. So guys, I don't know. So I open my channel to get, and I get this account has been suspended in English. So how to get back this? So you just need go to this form. So type your name here. How to get appeal? Okay, type your name here and email your email address, your link of your channel, and choose here why my channel suspended without any reason, because I have no copyright or no community guideline strike. So submit to them and you will get back the email from them. Thank you.